Let's talk about Protean eGov IPO. Finally, the listing did happen on Monday, and it commanded its listing price at the upper end of the band at about 792, in line with analyst expectations, and a share subscribed, or a stock subscribed 23 times, oversubscribed 23 times or so. For those who did get allotted the IPO shares, Avinash, what should be the strategy from here? And for those who were not as lucky, what do you suggest when it comes to participating in this newly listed stock of Protean eGov?
Yeah, I think my guess is Protean eGov is a monopolistic business, Karthik. But I think you must also understand that in whichever segment they operate, like Aadhaar or typically UPI, I believe these segments are matured segments, and I think you're not going to see a huge kind of incremental growth what was seen in the last say 5 years. So
Okay.
my guess is I think growth will be steady. Somebody who's looking at the next 2 to 3 years as an investment horizon can even look at buying the stock from the market as of now. It offers a reasonably good risk reward opportunity. But in the very short term, I think one should not expect any major fireworks, because I think this is a steady business, a very strong cash flow oriented business. But in terms of growth, my sense is that the next 2 to 3 quarters would at best be steady. I think one could not expect a multiplication of a kind of gains on the stock. It would be a steady kind of long term performer. So I would believe that somebody who wants to put a portfolio choice can definitely buy in at the current level. But short term, I won't be surprised the stock may remain a little stagnant for some time.
All right. So short-term stagnation, but long-term, of course, well invested in stock is the word coming in from Avinash.